Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the character Ugandan Knuckles. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin, we actually gotta draw his mouth area first because it's such a weird looking character. So from here, we're just gonna draw, this is gonna be his nose area and his mouth. So just one big curve and then just kind of leave it a little bit open. And then right here, we're gonna draw the corner of his mouth. And then from there, on this one, we're just gonna continue this. Just have it come out around the corner of the mouth. It was a very odd shape. And then on this side, we're gonna go the other corner of his mouth. And then after that, we're just gonna connect these two with one big curve. Okay, and then his nose is gonna be here, and it kind of left, there's an overlap here, so that's okay because I'm gonna shade it black anyways. Okay, so then from there now we can draw his eye. So right in the corner here, I'm gonna draw one circle kind of behind it, and then we're gonna draw one little one here. That's gonna be his highlight, and then on the inside it's gonna be one big curve like this. And I know it's a little bit wobbly, but that's kind of how his eyes are. And then on the other side, so right around the nose area, we're gonna draw a big bubbly eye. And then up here, it's gonna be this white highlight. And then this is gonna be the black part. And let me shade it in so we can see. And on this side, this part is black. Okay, so now it looks like something, right? All right, so let's continue on with his face. So for this one, we're gonna, from his eye here, we're gonna go up. It's kind of like one big dome shape. And it's gonna be pretty wide. We're gonna go all the way out, past the corner of his mouth. And then we just kind of come down and we kind of stop there first. Okay, and then here, we're gonna continue this line, have it come down. Okay. And then now we're gonna work from the middle. So right here, underneath, we're gonna draw one curve like this. And now we can draw in the little individual. I guess this would be his hair or something. I don't know much about this character. Okay, so there's two. And then on this side as well, so we're gonna draw one, go back up, connect back to this one. So now we have two on this side as well. And we can draw a little bit of line here because this is continuous. All right, so now that we have the head, now we can move on to his body, which is even weirder. Okay, so right here, we're gonna draw his arm. So we're gonna come out, and then here, we're gonna come back in a little bit, but leave a little bit of space. We can close this off. Okay, and then on the other side, we're gonna draw his other arm. So that we can balance it out. And here another one. And then we're just gonna close that off for now. Okay, so we're gonna draw his body, and on the inside, it's got this little moon shape. Okay, and then for his body, we're gonna come down. I'm gonna draw one big arc, this side as well. Gonna come down. Okay, so we're gonna leave a little bit of space. This is gonna be for his legs, just a little bit, and then now we're gonna draw another curve on the bottom here. Okay, so now let's go back up and finish up his hands. So right here, we're just gonna extend it, pinch in a little bit. This is gonna be his gloves, and then we're gonna draw one line coming out, and this is gonna be one line on the back. And then for this one, we're gonna curve it. Again, it's very odd shapes. And then now here, draw his one claw, the other one on the other side. And now we can draw, just kind of connect this part. Okay. And then again on this side, let's see, extend it out for his gloves. Pinch in, come out, come in a little bit, and now we can draw one claw and one more on this side. And again, now we just kind of close it off. Okay, so now let's draw his legs, which will be a little bit easier. So his legs, we're just gonna draw two curves coming down, close it off. Now we're gonna extend it, so this is gonna be the top part of his shoes. We can close it off. Now we're gonna come down, draw his shoes, close that off. And then for the sole, we're just gonna give it a little bit of thickness here. And then here, there's gonna be some lines here for different colors. Okay, so now let's draw the other side. So we're gonna go, it's gonna be pretty symmetrical. So top part, close it, shoe, go out, close it, so give it some thickness, some detail here, and again 2 little lines for the color separation. And that's it for this Ugandan Knuckles, and hope you guys like the way it turns out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.